Hello everyone, Andrew here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how you can use neobux.com to advertise your website, your affiliate link or whatever URL you want to promote. But before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and feel free to leave any comments down below. Now, as you can see, I already logged into my account, but if you don't have an account, I will leave my referral link in the description of this video and you can join neobux.com. It's absolutely 100% free. Neobux is considered to be one, if not the best PTC ever. So it would be a good idea to advertise on it since it has a lot of users. And you can sign up just by clicking the register button here, fill out the form, confirm your email, and you're good to go. Like I said, I already have an account, so let me just log in. So UVJLM. Alright. Now, like I said, I'm not gonna get into how Neobux works and how you can earn, because this video, the purpose of this video is to show you only how you can advertise through Neobux, which is quite simple. Now, let's go to the advertise menu here. And you can see the different types of advertisement you can purchase, starting from micro exposure, 5 seconds. So the visitor that clicks on your ad must stay at least 5 seconds on your ad, so it will get paid. He or she will get paid through Neobux. Okay, you have mini exposure, which is the package I'm gonna purchase today, 15 seconds, and some other features, which two of them are my favorite, country filtering and age filtering, okay, which I'm gonna use. You have standard exposure, 30 seconds, extended exposure, 60 seconds, fixed exposure, 5 seconds, and this is kinda particular, and ad price, which are bonus ads that Neobux offers you for every click you make, and you don't get paid by clicking them, but you get chances to earn different prices from Neobux, such as cash, points, or even upgrade. Neobux upgrade. Okay, so let's talk about this fixed exposure. Now, fixed exposure, it's like this. You purchase 12 hours or 24 hours or 1 day. So you purchase time, and Neobux for the time you purchase will be shown your ad for 5 seconds to unlimited users, unlimited time, for unlimited times. Okay, I don't use that. I usually use micro exposure, or in today's case I'm gonna use mini exposure. Now I'm gonna since I have on my account balance, I have already $10, and I will use my main balance, but you can use Nettler, Skrill, AirTM, or you can also use cryptocurrencies, which Neobux implemented not so long ago. Okay, now like I said, I already have $10, so I'm gonna purchase more clicks. As you can see, the minimum is 500 clicks and 1500 ad prices for $5. But if you want to purchase double that, you'll get $1 discount, so you will spend only $9. Now, why I'm gonna purchase this today instead of purchasing micro exposures, and I can purchase, say, 5,000 clicks? Because first of all, this is for 15 seconds, so the visitor must stay for 15 seconds on my ad, okay? And second, it's because of these two features here, like I said, country filtering and age filtering. So I'm gonna purchase 1,000 clicks, 3,000 ad price, mini exposure, and I'm gonna use my main balance here, confirm, okay? There you go. Now I have the clicks, alright, but my ad, it's not running yet because first of all I haven't set it up yet. Now, as you can see here, I already have two oldest campaign, and in one I promoted a traffic ad bar, In the other one, I promoted Leads Leap. If you don't know this, don't worry. They are free to sign up. Of course, I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video for these sites as well. To create an advertisement, it's quite simple. You click here, okay, and you put a title, a short description, and the URL, and then you click Add Advertisement, which I won't do because I already have Leads Leap here, and that's what I'm gonna promote today. Okay, the moment you create the campaign and purchase the clicks, you will have to distribute them. So let me do that. Distribute to. Now the link to Leads Leap, let's go back, was with the title Earn $10 or $20 per day with this. Okay, and as you can see, it has my Leads Leap referral link. So distribute the clicks to earn $10, $20 a day with this. Distribute. And now still the advertisement, it's not running because you have to start it. But before I do that, as you can see, I have a bit available here, mini exposures. Here are the clicks I purchased it, available. Okay, I have to geo-filter it and of course choose an age. Okay, so let's start with country filtering. Only available, as you can see here, for mini, standard, and extended. I already have mini exposure, so I'm gonna choose some countries in Europe. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna leave it with that. Now let's age filter. So I'm gonna choose from 22 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35. That's it. Save changes. Okay, so now that we saved all the changes, just a second. The changes were successfully saved. Okay, now let's go to advertisements. And now that I geo-filtered it and age filtered it, I can start the advertisement. So let's do that. Okay, now it's being displayed. All right, these are the clicks I purchased it. So I just will sit back and wait until the campaign ends, and I'll see if I got any results or not. So this is it, guys. That's the video. Make sure, like I said, to subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Cheers.